Ayinle, the child to be praised and then displayed for the world to see. The word yin means to praise, to eulogize, and le means to display, to showcase, to put something atop so that it can be visible for all to see. So when a child is called Ayinle, it means that this child gives you so much joy that every time you see the child, you praise the child, you eulogize the child, and it doesn't stop there. You display the child for the world to see. You display the child, you showcase the child like something spectacular, like something whose beauty is worthy of being beheld publicly. So the child is beautiful, special, and unique. Àwa ń fojoojúmọ́ yìn, a sì ń lé bí ọjà fọmọ aráyé rí. Àyìnlé, you were born to be praised, you were born to be eulogized, and also to be displayed for the world to see. We display this child by carrying the child with prideful joy and by having the child strapped to our back while we strut majestically. Àyìnlé, to be praised and displayed. Wàá Ṣere.